Hey guys, back here at the shop, and we got a quick little welding project to do. I've got the dump trailer out front, and it has a broken door latch. So we are going to attempt to weld this back on there and get that door shut again.
It's about time.
Alright, so this bracket is going to go right there. So I'm going to do some grinding and bring you back when we start welding.
We got it.
All right, sorry about the glare here, but about an hour's time. Little welding, little paint, and this door is operational again. So, not too bad. Just goes to show you, a self-taught YouTube welder can still get some things done. Thanks for watching.